Hi everyone, my name is Jewel and welcome to my channel. I'm very excited to show you two of my top favorite Japanese dishes today. They're both very similar, but one is the chicken karaage that we all know and the other one is Hokkaido's version of the karaage. Presenting to you, Zangi. Zangi wa nan desu ka? Karaage to wa違いますか? 鶏の唐揚げと一緒だよ.
Well, let me see. I will just show you what I have finally learned after almost 4 years of living in Hokkaido. There are countless recipes on Japanese fried chicken and there are different ways how to make it. Today, I will show you the recipe that I prefer. Sit back and relax. This is chicken karaage versus Hokkaido's Zangi.
So what do you think, guys? So we have Zangi to your right side and karaage, chicken karaage to your left. First the karaage. Now we go to Zangi, the main star of the day. The night? The day? Look at that! It looks like a rabbit. Okay, I'm gonna eat the ears. Did you hear that? The crunch. Now that's the Zangi we want. So you can see it's a little bit puffy but crispy because we use potato starch and just a little bit of wheat flour. If you want it to be completely crunchy, just use potato starch. You don't have to use the wheat flour. Remember, for Zangi, we use light soy sauce. For the karaage marinade, we use dark soy sauce. So which one do you prefer? The puffy and crispy zangi or the simple but equally delicious karaage? I really recommend you to try the zangi. I don't know, it's a different experience. Guys, challenge. So, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed watching and see you again next week.
I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in